What's going on, guys? Welcome back to new video Z Monopoly. Today what we're going to do is we're actually going to do a live trade for you guys. I'm going to do a live trade with a stock called Caterpillar. Caterpillar is a stock that I released here on the 28th. I told my people, hey, trade this stock. So now you've seen the next 2 days. But yeah, we are going to trade Caterpillar for a specific reason. So can you guess? Yep, earning reports, the news. Now, when I say, guys, on average, a stock moves by 5%, I really meant it. You can see pre-market's already up, down by 6%. So usually I would get in pre-market and get out before the crowd. But because this figure is continuing to go down, I feel like there's still money to be made, maybe even 8% on this stock. 2 more percentage for me, for the guys in during market open. So I'm going to make a prediction. The stock is going to drop, collapse on market open. It's going to do a little reversal, and it's going to continue shooting back down. Because if we look at the trend or the analysis of this, Caterpillar Q4 misses estimates forecast, right? So it just came out with bad earnings. Now, if some of you guys don't know how to analyze properly, look in the description. There's a course for that if you want to take this approach. Now, yes, we're going to use the chart, and yes, we're using Google Charting because I see a lot of people saying, hey, Zed, you don't use charts, you're not a trader. Well, listen, you go use your charts, you put in your 4 screens, and I'll use one screen and a minimalist chart, but I understand what's going to happen to that stock because I understand the patterns. Now, yes, I use charts for the patterns, but you'll notice, guys, if I just look at the chart and I see a pattern forming, I will say, yep, it's time to buy or sell. Because I'm going to tell it to you straight right now. Before the pattern even occurs, I'm going to give you a pattern. That stock is going to collapse, is going to reverse upwards, and is going to continue shooting. By the end of the video, or the stock market, look at the stock and see what happened. Put the thumbs up and subscribe if I come out right in this video. Now, I'm not injured. This is a little wipe. But yeah, that's the pattern that's going to form. All right, I'm going to put in 100 shares. I'm going to trade 100 shares with a CFD account. Now, this is a simple platform that I use. Is CFDs, contract of difference, not equities. The difference why I don't trade much equities nowadays and trade CFDs is because they're not really that taxed, guys. In some countries, CFDs are not taxed. Well, now you know something new. But don't trade CFDs on the beginning. Trade equities because there is no spread and no hidden fees and whatnot. But yeah, you should be fine, guys, if you use this strategy in the long term with any platform, any kind of whatever broker. It will work. It's the same thing. All right. This thing is called scalping, by the way, getting in and out quickly. But we're basing it on fundamentals. Now, yes, 5% of trading is trading. 95% of trading is analysis. Right. So you remember, you have to be good at. That's what I tried to teach you here, is how to become an analyst and not a trader. Because there's no such thing as a trader. There's an analyst and that's it. Trading is like 5% of trading is like just pressing buttons and that's it. You have to learn how to become an analyst, and that's what I've taught you guys. If you don't know what's happening to the stock market or to these stocks, you're not going to make money. But luckily, I'm here to kind of help you guys, and I know the behavior of these stocks already. Yep, I'm going to be that confident guy, overconfident guy, because I notice a lot of people saying, Zed, you're not a real trader, because I don't have 4 screens. I don't have these fancy charts. But yeah, I'm going to make it easier for you guys in this video. We're going to short that stock. What is shorting? Well, it's betting that the stock's going to go down in value. Based on what? Based on bad news, right? That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. Now, the stock market opens in 15 minutes. I'm going to pause this, and then we'll continue with the trades. All right, guys, stock market opens in 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do actually in this case, because I think that this stock is being oversold pre-market, I feel like it's going to reverse quickly. So you see, guys, it's 7% down already. So 1 minute and we should be shorting. So I already put a short order, but here we're going to change it to 127. All right, 127 is the short position of 100 shares. Okay, so it's already at 127. So 127.20, and the bell should ring in a few minutes. Here's the chart, guys, for this, so you'll see what happens to this stock in a few seconds. You get butterflies every day, don't you? This is it's exciting as well as nerve-wracking. But when you're confident with your analysis and your decisions, guys, and you know what's gonna happen to the stock over the course of the day, you should be confident. Right, market just opened, guys. So the shares have been bought, and if we go to positions, we can see this changing. Now look at the trend, guys, dropping 67. Now I'm gonna get ready to get out. So how do you close a position, you guys ask? Well, it's gonna be through a buy order. Well, we're not profitable yet, but we should be. So 23, 30. Remember, we only shorted 100 shares. Just wait for it to continue. See the reversals happening, but that's where I'll drop another 100 on it, guys. So we're at 126.29. 126.29, right? 126.50. You can see here, guys, 126.50. But this is it. It's dropping down slowly, and you keep unrealized gains are here where we're in the minus already. I know we started off with a minus, but 15 because we're dropping even further. 17, 18 pounds up. About 25, 30, 40. Come on, baby, give me some money. Give me some money. Let me prove the haters wrong. We ain't juicing. That's not a game. Think it's a game? It's not. We might use all these lavish titles, but shit, we talk the talk and we walk the walk. Now, you'll realize, guys, a reversal shows up all the time, right? Now, the reversal is this. A stock is oversold, and you have a reverse. Like I said, every stock that goes up has to come back down. That's what I mean. In these kind of scenarios, it's not every stock, but these kind of scenarios, every stock that goes up has to come back down. Now we're almost out of time here on this recorder. Let me pause this, guys, and I'll so you'll realize it's 200 shares on that position, and the returns aren't. You can say some people say it's not worth it, but I say it's worth it if you can. Obviously, the more money you have, the more shares you can buy, guys. See, we're already about 85 pounds up. The more shares you have, the more you can buy, or the more money you have, the more you can buy. But I like to play the safe route. You can say trading high cap stocks. When I do have when I invest large caps, large money, or trade with large sums of money, I'll trade these. So already $100 up, as you can see. The pullback hasn't came just yet, but it will. And that's why I'm not gonna be greedy. I'll get out with the amount of money given to me, and I'll short once again. It's one of those stocks that's breached. Most of you will be in my position, just chilling around, like looking at your shares going down up. But if we got in pre-market, guys, we could have played this whole. But because we're playing it just for demonstration, I have to wait that long and not take much money. About 150, guys. It looks like it's going to continue shooting down, but I will close a position soon enough. I'll close 100 shares maybe. This is just for demonstration purposes, guys. Usually I'm in pre-market. So what am I waiting for exactly? Just like most of yous, I need this is something I preach. Do not do, like, aim for a round figure, $200. So that you're trading with, you know, 200 shares on a $200. Well, there's the $200, and I'm out of 100 shares soon enough. So we just got rid of 100 shares, guys. Now we have another 100. Okay. So when I say the minimum is 1%, I really mean it, guys. I really, really mean it. It's the minimum is 1% return, and we should get out with another. Well, that is 200 profit down, guys, in the pocket. That's actually 167 on a 10,000 investment. So why 10,000? Because I'm using leverage. So now what I'm doing is I'm actually going to buy back. Okay. Now why am I buying back? It's because the reversal is on the way, my friends. Hold on. Let's adjust. Buy back 200 shares. Yeah. Place order. So we just executed 200 shares buying back, guys, because after every spike there has to be a pullback. Correct? I just thought I'd explain it to you. When I say we can predict these things, guys, when I say being an analyst is better than being a trader, it's about time you guys start believing. All right? If this is not showing you, that I don't know what is. Peace and love, just like always. I appreciate your fortune. Hopefully you guys made money also. Now, I'm actually making more money because I bought it back, because that's the bounce that I talked about. That's the bounce that I said will happen after every spike. There will be a pullback, because when I made the short position, the short position wasn't going to stay, in the red. It was going to reverse, because after every spike there has to be a pullback, a reversal. Correct? The reversal happens when buying and when shorting also, right? So I went in and bought 2 more 100 shares at the bottom because I said it was oversold. And there's 100. So that is 231, guys, made today on a 10,000 investment. Now I use leverage, but I had 10,000 investment there. 222. It was 222 made on a 10,000 investment. Now 200 shares. That's what we traded. 200 shares. So that's the way to trade, guys. Hopefully you get value out of this video. There's a course in the description if you want to learn how I do things, how I analyze, because forget about me pressing buttons. That's not the fact that I can just sit around knowing what's going to happen to the stock says a lot. What does it say? It says I already know what's about to happen. All right. I mean, we can't predict it every day, but over time it will become like checking your email. I swear to you, that's exactly what's about to happen. Get good at what you do, guys, and you'll see the change in life. There's a course in the description if you're interested in becoming an analyst. I don't teach you how to trade. I don't have 4 charts. I do teach you how to trade the same way, but the fact that I know what to look for in a stock says a lot. Peace and love, just like always. Put the thumbs up if you made it this far. Don't leave this video without putting the thumbs up, because this video shows you, even just me eating and talking says a lot. It says I'm comfortable. You need to be comfortable, guys. I know I come out arrogant, but hey, this is just one of those videos where I share some value and have fun. But yeah, $200, guys, on a 10,000 investment. If we continue that trend, or if we continue the winning streak for whatever this week, I mean, we can come out with 11,000, right? Playing is safe, you can say. Now, what was your risk management, Zed? Nothing really. My risk management was I took a small position. That's my risk management. I didn't take a huge position, because if the trend went against me, I would have said, okay, I'm losing 200. Otherwise, you know, or 200 is what I was willing to lose in the first place. But my risk management, you can say, is I've already analyzed. That's my risk management. I could put this trade for the whole day. Now, what I said in the beginning of the video, the stock drops, reverses, and continues dropping. That's exactly what's about to happen. Now, I don't use stop losses, right? Because I'm at that stage of I'm confident. But you guys can use stop losses. You can manage risk. Say, okay, this is how much I'm willing to lose. But you see the fluctuation that just happened up and down. You could have been stopped out if he had used the stop loss. So that's why I don't use a stop loss, and I just focus on my decision. I'm confident. Find me on Instagram as Simply Zed. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Love you.